First and foremost, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, congrats on the time off. Welcome back to Monday. Whatever you're celebrating, I hope you get to enjoy it. For this week's recipe, we kept it simple since you all like the 3-ingredient cookies we did. Today, we're doing another variation to this, 5-ingredient protein muffins that only take a few minutes to prep. So let's jump right into it. One more thing, the transformation challenge I mentioned in the last video for next year, if you want me to do it, toss a comment below that says 2024. I'm thinking top 3 and it would run 12 weeks. Maybe the top winner gets something like a year's supply of protein. We'll talk about it later. Start this one with a mixing bowl and a small ripe banana. The closer it looks to being thrown out, the better. Pro tip, it's way easier to peel a banana by pinching the bottom of it. Add that into your bowl, then mash it up with a fork. This just makes it easier to mix. Continue with 1/8 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 large whole egg, 30 grams of a chocolate or vanilla protein powder, and 4 tablespoons of a nut butter or nut butter alternative. Don't forget that substitutes in both US and metric conversions are featured on the proteinchef.co for every recipe. You can get there with the link up there somewhere and down below in the description. Go ahead and mix all of those ingredients together until smooth. Last, take out a muffin pan or some silicone muffin cups, coat whatever you're using with some non-stick cooking spray. I like making bite-sized mini muffins with these. Evenly distribute your mix, top them with whatever you want, like some mini chocolate chips, coconut, nuts, peanut butter chips, or anything else you can think of. Put them into your oven on 350 for around 10 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on them, and if you're making larger muffins, keep them in longer. In the end, they should look something like this. Around 4.5 grams of protein and only 70 calories a piece. These also freeze great too. If you want to make a ton at a time, you can do that. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Also, you might have noticed this bandage on my pinky. Yeah, I cut the tip of it off last week cutting an onion, so be careful. If you want the full story and you made it to the end of this video, let me know in the comments.